Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In case you are new here, hi, I am Rizzy, your beauty buddy, and this is my channel Rizytutorials. And if you have not yet subscribed on my channel, please do so and do not miss to press the notification bell icon obviously, so that you are notified every time I upload. Now today's video is going to be very interesting and one of a kind. I used to do these kind of videos in 2018 and 19, but suddenly I stopped. But I have recently started again, and recently I did a quite bit of shopping on Purplle. So yeah, if you want to watch this video, please grab a snack, sit back and relax and keep on watching. The very first product that I'm going to talk about is the Blue Heaven Flawless Makeup Base Primer. Now this one is oil free and this cost about rupees 325 for 30 gram of product. Now this one is a silicone based primer. Now what it's going to do is it's going to make your skin very smooth and ready for makeup. It will minimize your pores, and this one claims to instantly minimizes pores and blurs imperfections. It ensures a smooth application of makeup and make it last all day long. Now this one has aloe vera with it that hydrates and smoothens skin. It is oil free, paraben free formula and doesn't clog your pores. So I'm pretty interested for this one because I have seen a lot of Instagrammers and a lot of YouTubers talking about this one and using this one. And this one, the packaging reminds me of the Wet n Wild matte primer. If you remember, back in the day we used to have that kind of primer, and that primer was actually one of my favorite primers, and I thought to give this one a go, Blue Heaven one, because it seemed to be very affordable, and on Purplle there was also a sale going on. So although I do not need a primer, I have my LA Girl Pro Primer, which is for blurring the pores. I love this one, but let's see how the Blue Heaven fares, whether it will be able to replace the LA Girl one or not. The second product that I got is this Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer. Now this is in the shade Light Moyen. Now with Purplle side, I'm very it's very difficult to get your shade correct because there is no swatches given over there. But since this one has the name written as Light Moyen, since I'm a medium skin tone girl, light is basically the shade for me when I'm picking out any concealer. So it had Light Moyen and it's very nice concealer. I'm using it right now, and as you can see, it has instantly brightened up my under eye area. Now I have already used it. As I said, I have used it twice or thrice since after buying it, and it works beautifully. It doesn't smudge, it doesn't crease as much as some other products, and it's very affordable. It cost for only rupees 229 and it has approximately 6 gram of product, which is pretty good quantity if you ask me, because generally concealers are 6 ml or 8 ml, or even some of the few high-end concealers are even less than that. So I think for 229 rupees it's a steal. It's a very good concealer. It's the coverage is, I can say, like somewhere in between the e.l.f. hydrating one and the Inside Cosmetics one. So the e.l.f. one has a better coverage than the Inside one, but this one has like a better coverage than the Inside Cosmetics one. So definitely this is going to be my new kind of one of my favorites, especially because of the color. This shade actually suits me very well. So yeah, I'm gonna keep on using this. The other product that I got from Purplle is this Makeup Fixer Natural Mist. Now this is again from Swiss Beauty. This one is a makeup fixer, or you can say a makeup setting spray, Now this says makeup fixer used either before or after makeup, is to set your makeup so that it can stay longer and not be wiped off with touch of hands or run off with perspiration. So basically you can use this one before your makeup as prepping your skin, or even after your makeup as a makeup fixing spray. So again, I'm pretty excited to use this one. This cost for about rupees 249 for 70 ml of product, which is actually very affordable. Nowadays makeup fixing sprays may range from about 1000 to 2000, so I think this one is going to be very nice one. And it also has aloe vera and vitamin E, so it's also good for your skin. It's supposed to be hydrating, but this one says that it's natural, so I wouldn't expect too much of hydration from this one, but I'm guessing that it would be not matte basically. And since my skin is dry, I don't think matte makeup setting sprays suit me a lot. So yeah, this one is going to be nice. So the next product is the product actually which got me to Purplle site. Basically this one is the Blue Heaven Kiss and Blush Lip and Cheek Tint. This was the reason I saw it in the Facebook ads, and this one is the reason that I wanted to buy something from Purplle. So this was the reason I got onto Purplle and I bought all other items. So this one is lip and cheek tint, and basically this is a stick, a makeup stick kind of a thing, and the packaging is super amazing. It goes like this, and actually it's too much, but then again I like the packaging, and moreover this comes in a stick form, which I think is very good for cream blushers, because I don't like the pot ones, the cream blushers that have that pot thing, because otherwise I have to go with my finger or either the beauty blender directly into the pot, dip directly into the pot, which I feel is too much hassle. So definitely this is something which I like, and these ones are matte, and look at the finish of this one. Like, look at how pretty the shade is. This one is flashy pink. I have another shade with me, and this one is rosy dusk. So they have all kinds of shade. They have metallic shades as well as matte shades. I picked both mattes because I don't like my cream blusher to be very metallic, and I even don't know why would someone have a metallic blusher. But then again, I think that would be more of a highlight plus blusher kind of a thing. But this is my jam. This is what I wanted. So if you see, this is how it swatches on my hand, and it's a beautiful pretty pink color, and it's easily blendable as well. So yeah, this is the product that I'm most excited about. And again, this is also very affordable. It's not too much of a costly thing. This is only for rupees 250 for one piece, and it has approximately 8 grams of product. And this is the second shade. As you can see, that one is much more brighter, and this is more of like a dusty rose kind of a thing, and then shade name is very appropriate. It's rosy dusk. So this one is more of like a rusty rose pink color. That one is more of like a brighter pink moving towards red, but this is more of a rusty pink. Moving on to my last product, this one is the NY Bay Foundation Concealer Contour Color Corrector Stick. Basically it's 4-in-1 kind of a stick, and it comes in so many shades. Like there were around 22 to 23 shades, and I picked 2 of the shades, one as a peach corrector and the other one more as a contour. Now I already have a peach corrector from the same brand, NY Bay. Now this one is more of like both are stick correctors, but this one I'm assuming this one would be more creamier. This one is good as well. This one is very peachy, and it gives a very nice, it's very good for under eyes, because once you have darker pigmented under eyes, a peach corrector is a must. So yeah, this one is good, but I am assuming that this one would be a better version of it. I don't know what exactly is the difference between both of these. This one again is a concealer stick. They don't market it as a 4-in-1 kind of a stick, but this one is marketed as a color corrector, concealer, foundation kind of a stick. So yeah, but when I checked it, it's not like very peachy if you compare it like side to side. This one is like pink, okay. This one is more like peachy, but it does have a kind of like a makeup vibe to it, although this one is more of like a corrector, peach corrector, that's it. So I'm pretty excited to see what difference does this one make, whether it is better than the previous one or not, and I will update you guys. This one cost for 150 rupees for 4.2 gram, which is a pretty affordable range if you ask me. And as I said, the shade range is very nice. You can get tons of shade. You can use it as a foundation, you can use it as a concealer, as a corrector. So yeah, it's a pretty good investment, I would say. The other shade that I selected was Toast. Now this one is more of like a contour shade for me. I do have a contour shade from Bella Voste in the same kind of stick foundation. Don't get me wrong, I have many contour sticks. I have the K Beauty contour stick, I have the Charlotte Tilbury wand, but nothing in this kind of a makeup stick apart from this Bella Voste. And this one is more of like a bronzy tone, so I use this one as a bronzer. Now a bronzer is more like a warm toned concealer, okay. So I use this one as a bronzer. I wanted something of a cool toned to give that sculpted shadowy look. So that is why I selected this shade, and perfectly, like, this one is more towards the cool tone rather than the warm tone that Bella Voste had. Let me swatch it for you guys side by side. So this is how it looks. It's very creamy. As I said, it's very easily blendable. And this is the Bella Voste one. Again, this Bella Voste one is also very creamy. Look at the shade difference. Like, this one is more of like a cool tone. This is good for shadow, providing that more sculpted look. And this one is more of like a giving a subtle sun-kissed kind of a warmth to the skin. So yeah, that is why I selected that one, the NY Bay one. And again, this is only for rupees 150, which I like. So guys, that was all for the Purplle haul video. I will be back with first impressions of all these products that we have just discussed about, and hopefully some of them will work. Some of them might fail, but then again, I'm pretty excited to use all these products into my makeup routine. Tell me in the comment section below which product is your most favorite, whether you have used it or not, and whether it worked for you or not. But before going, please do not forget to subscribe onto my channel and hit the notification bell icon as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.